Hello guys and gals and everybody else too. Experimental mode, latex, rubber, typical, what we always do. Got about 10 coats on it, engineer rubber. Backing is experimental for me and anybody else too. One coat plaster gauze. Then the legs were wooden, so super glued, Gorilla Glue. And then I tried using some foam, and I will probably change my routine next time. Too much foam, but it works. I mean, my wife uses straps. My wife poured this, and that's the bumblebee hive, or honeybee hive. Alright, fish to put it out here on a stump and let you see it too. Okay, see you in a second. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at my new forklift. Super handy. I hadn't used it, but my wife has. She loves it. I don't know much about it. But anyway, it's got a handle here. Cranks up, which is nice. You know, it's got a brake down here too. Right now, it won't move. It's like a hand truck, super hand truck. Not bad, and I think I paid $350. Come out of Canada. 330-pound capacity, supposedly. Anyway, alright, let's go see. There's my mixer. Paid about $1,200 for him. Alright, move. Coming out here to see this. Alright. There's the Bee Hive on the stump. She did good. Wife did real good. See you. Thanks for looking. Love y'all.